How to see downloaded files in Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to discuss how we can see the downloaded files on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now sometimes you could have downloaded something from a Telegram group and then you want to figure out as to how you can find those downloads. Well, it's fairly simple to do so. Sometimes the downloads don't get saved to your file manager app, but they only get saved to your Telegram cloud or the draft. So to find it, you can tap the search bar from the top right, and let's say you just search for anything. Later on, if you happen to download something, you can tap the search bar. Right here you can see a toggle that says downloads, so you can simply navigate to downloads, and here you'll find any sort of zip files, documents or videos that you might have downloaded, and these files are not saved to your device, by the way. But let's say you also happen to save them to your device, such as a photo or a document or videos or zip files. You can simply locate them by opening the file manager application of your respective devices, depending upon which phone you're using. Then simply go to the downloads tab. Under the downloads tab, you'll definitely find this folder here known as Telegram. So whatever else you download from Telegram will automatically be shifted to the Telegram folder. So when you go inside the Telegram folder, you should be able to see a list of files that you might have downloaded. This way you can see the downloaded files from Telegram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.